Bonjour chers amis, hello beautiful people. Today in this beautiful nature I'm going to share with you what I do every morning, my little secret, my little facial massage. It helped me to start the day just in a very relaxing way. It not only is an anti-aging and lifting, naturally lifting, but it helps also with headache and nasal congestion and allergies. So I relax the muscle of my face doing it every morning, definitely. I use apricot oil and actually the partnership with vitamin C and vitamin E really nourish the skin. It lowers the appearance of wrinkles and fine line and maintain the softness and radiance of the skin. I'll do every motion few times, sometimes 5 to 10 times, but you can make it longer if you want, just go with the flow. On the chest area, go gentle with the pressure. The skin is pretty thin there, and I start to use it with my hand and after my knuckles. Adding a little more oil, and I'm really going to insist on my neck and shoulder massaging, adding pressure, breathing, warming up the muscle in the shoulder and the neck area, going back and forth with your arms, relaxing your whole body. I really insist on the neck, and I love to use my finger and going back up in the back of my head. It really helps with the relaxation of your head. I use the peace sign and use it on my collarbone to release the pressure. It's known to be releasing the pressure to the head. And continue with a little more oil if you need it, and really starting a nice massage on your neck, pushing back. On the other side. And using your finger and going up now, up and motion. Adding some oil on my face. And I'm going to pinch and really work on my jawline. It's such a great sensation. Really feel like you're remodeling yourself. Using the peace sign again around the ears. It's just a very relaxing spot there. And it's promoting the drainage and the blood flow. Now I'm going to go up on each side of my nose, around my eyes, all down to my chest, with a really nice breathing exercise there. Each motion have to be paired with a nice breathing. Definitely important. Using my nickel also, I'm going to use it on my cheekbone, going up, draining it. Using my index finger and flicking my finger to the nasal passage. It's a very good drainage there too, sweeping. Using my hand as a lifting tool, helping all this little wrinkle on our forehead. adding nicely of pressure. And using this Guasha Jade tool, it's very nice, and this cool texture of the stone is just really beautiful and beneficial. I'm using under my eye, sweeping and depuffing the eye. You could also use your finger there, just gentle little pressure, but the guasha is really enjoyable. Following my eyebrows like you're painting, pushing nicely and gently. You can continue using the guasha stone on your cheekbone. Always going up, never down. You want to erase this little wrinkle. I use it also on my lips. I start from the middle of my face and going sideways. Don't hesitate to add more oil if you need it. I had a good amount to start, so for now I'm fine. Scraping up on my cheek. You can be very creative, just follow your instinct also. Alright, well, we have the guasha, so we can also continue with a little jawline makeup. Loving to use it on my nose for defining, and my forehead. It's such an interesting moment in my day. It's so relaxing. I will always finish by my hand going across my forehead, breathing to pretty much each of my motion. Pinching around the eyes, promoting also blood flow there. You'll see, you'll feel so good and relaxed after it. This is my little morning routine that I wanted to share with you. When I close my eyes, I go back to this nature scene. Finishing by a soft, gentle sweeping my forehead, going down to my cheek and my chest. And same movement I did to the neck now, just going all around my hairline, scraping gently, but it's just a nice little sensation finish. There we go. Now breathe with me. You're ready for your day. Be beautiful. Love yourself unconditionally. Day is a new day. Let's live it to our fullest. Namaste. The divine light in me acknowledges the divine light in you. La lumière profonde en moi reconnaît la lumière divine en toi. Have a beautiful day. Au revoir.